Bumbleclad. You done? Bumbleclad. Mark the day the video. Oh, you know that. Mark the day the lighter done for. The day the lighter done to blood clot. This day it was. And this day the lighter done. See there? And this day. Mark it. See there? And this day. And this day the done lighter really done. No more striking. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Right now we are working in advance. There's some video we make them video in advance for the weekend because we have a work we're going to the whole weekend. I go busy. So right now we have Trinidad Ghost X Mouttxt X the baddest Bumbleclad artist in Trinidad. Mouttxt, big up yourself, you know. Big up yourself, you know. You do me and say, girl, your body is calling. You don't say my number. That's the number one song for me. That's the number one Trinidad song. You see me? Right now I have the song name. Hold on, Baddest in Trinidad. We don't say the Baddest in Trinidad. The same name Baddest in Trinidad is an official music video. They me and say, yeah. People don't like the video. Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. You know, we post every single day. Numerous times for the day. Right? We shine in the batty boy. Just walk past me car while I go. Me at the Bumbleclad Tafari video, you know. And you can walk past me car again in the batty boy. Stop walk past me Bumbleclad car in the youth. Yo! Like the video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. Don't know, chop. Drop the fire emoji them right now. And say if you're watching the video, you don't subscribe. Take your mother phone, your auntie phone, your brother phone, your sister phone, your uncle. Everybody phone has subscribe. Make sure say everybody in your house subscribe to the channel. We'll charge 30,000 subscribers before the year ends. So tell a friend to 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 tell a friend. Run tune!
Yo, Mouttxt, I'm to some boy them thinking them is the baddest lyrically in Trinidad, you know.
What are them?
Ghosts, let's take a toast. Ha
Brawley!
Time to murder them lyrically, you know, Mouttxt.
Brawley!
Things are go mad.
Yeah.
Yo! We are the baddest in Trinidad. In Trinidad,
yeah.
In Trinidad, we are the baddest in Trinidad. In Trinidad, in Trinidad. Me are the baddest in Trinidad. Lyrically very hard. Most of them just chat and talk. Me give them a burial. Love the place bloody like mountain and no period. Yo, Mouttxt, I'm to some boy them thinking them is the baddest lyrically in Trinidad. You know?
Ghosts, let's take a toast. Ha
Time to murder them lyrically, you know.
Lyrically, me say.
Things are go mad. Yo, we are the baddest in Trinidad. In Trinidad, in Trinidad. We are the baddest in Trinidad. In Trinidad, in Trinidad. Me are the baddest in Trinidad. Lyrically very hard. Most of them just chat and talk. Me give them a burial.
Yeah.
The place bloody like mountain and no period. Wrap them up like gyro, put them in a bag like cereal. In a brag and showcase, I'm an intellectual genius. Solid like a rock, man faster than the furious. Some boy think them lyrically bad. Them
man faster than the furious, faster than furious. Bumbleclad! Trinidad Ghost? Well, this is my first Trinidad Ghost reaction to now. But run by a little bit and make sure I say, go on now.
In Trinidad, me are the baddest in Trinidad. Lyrically very hard. Most of them just chat and talk. Me give them a burial. Left the place bloody like mountain and no period. Wrap them up like gyro, put them in a bag like cereal. Me na brag and showcase, I'm an intellectual genius. Solid like a rock, man faster than the furious. Some boy think them lyrically bad, them can be serious. The last man tried to test me, didn't pass. He was curious. Call me the chef. Lyrics dishing out no recipe. Most them boy them shooting blanks is like them do vasectomy. Me I the underdog laid back protect me.
No, hold on. Slow it down. Bumbleclad. Slow it down. Yeah, go on so bad. Dog. Alright, go on, dad.
Energy, lyrics flow like blood in capillary biology. Yeah. Them boy basic lyrically bad locally. My clip after T1 like the month of January. Yeah. Money flow weekly, monthly, daily and annually. 1,000 upon 1,000 every day increasing gradually. Me worse than pandemic. Leave them for the paramedic. Hang them up like I'm the sheriff. Stack the money then we spend it. Some boy them bad mind cause me little fruits and flourish. Big rocks in me.
Yo, January boy, a lyrical for real. Dog, I want me to come with you now. Go on!
hand. And I'm not talking tennis, I'm a lyrical menace, but can't compare to Dennis. Everything we have and own, make sure that we cherish. Any boy this, either vanish or them perish. And if you not go get it, your little friend them get it.
Them boy them not ready, me evil like Freddy. Me love to drink the Henny, bust out them jelly. Them boy can't test, we are the best.
The boy them not ready, we evil like Freddy. The boy try this so bust out them jelly. Bomba clad! Me I sweat no whole lot there. Bomba clad! The boy them not ready. Youth! Rich on
this, either vanish or them perish. And if you not go get it, your little friend them get it.
Them boy them not ready, me evil like Freddy. Me love to drink the Henny, bust out them jelly. Them boy can't test, we are the best. Trinidad ghost, put them to rest. When black rain fall and the roll ornaments, me I mash up all of them. Me I have no friends. In a new white force, I would step so clean, I would look so mean. To the ghost on the team, we the kings of quarantine. We the kings of quarantine. All of them that want waste time. Me go to work and get my check sign. Me work hard for achieve what's mine. Me have no time for pre-bad mind. All me really want is the damn dollar sign. If me not get it, me bound to rise crime. Every nickel make a nickel, every nickel make a dime. Ghosts on the rhyme.
So much money in me pocket get hernia. My lyrics frozen cold like winter time Siberia. Pull up with the Afro, give it the beats, Nigeria.
They them reference like different countries and things. Make reference to shows, country. Make reference to everything what people really know about or go on them lyrics them. But respect that, me rate that. Go on though.
Don't care about haters, gossip rumors or the media. Any boy said them better than we. Facts me a talk, so them get angry. Lyrics like cartel, bad like bounty. Shake them like earthquake, wet them up like tsunami.
Not no more enough to say, youth. Not no more enough to say. Lyrics like oh, bad like oh. Bumbleclad. Bumbleclad. You done? Bumbleclad. Mark the day the video. Oh, you know that. Mark the day the lighter done for. The day the lighter done to blood clot. This day it was. And this day the lighter done. See there? And this day. Mark it. See there? And this day. And this day the done lighter really done. No more striking. Trinidad goes to take the lighter dog. Bumbleclad dog. I forgot to post a clip up on Instagram. Bumbleclad. Youth! Run Sean!
Sure disaster, I'm like the US Army. Me pave the road, every contract junior Sammy. And me not have no pity. Last name Valley. Jump on a plane and land in Miami. 200k in Army, back 100 in the Union. My girl like a supermodel, she's a honey bun. Grinding every day, stuck in China, make the millions. And the billions. And the trillions, everlasting lyrics, infinite vocabulary, encyclopedia, thesaurus, couple dictionary, vision 2020, no contact lens, visionary, humble like I'm broke, cause everything is temporary, minister of lyrics and these artists are my secretaries, RIP me haters, read them up, obituary, similes and metaphors, punctuation marks, use a comma so you get a pause, alliteration, me are the stepping stone to open up the better doors, if you think you know about English and lyrics or no matter Pia bang bang, the Beretta goes, me pocket fat full of cholesterol, run up on me, you get damage, no collateral. The lyrics
people will never recommend them man for a long time, brother. Trinidad ghost dog. But that me not overhype the thing, dog. But dog, youth, you can't tell lyrically, this is a murder thing, but have it your way like Burger King.
Bumbleclad. Your head, swallow 2 Panadol, you get drowsy, and me not done see. This Trini goes to beat your butt like a donkey. Stack the money, renovate the house, it comfy. Flat screen TV, marble floors, man never hungry. Evaporate me haters, we turn them all to vapors. Step out in all black, fighting them like Undertaker. Me all about the paper, like copyright tax machine talk.
First things that people know about them youth. Step out in all black and frighten them like who? You watch wrestling, WWE, frighten them like Undertaker. Bumbleclad.
Talk about the printer, me give a girl the tip, but she is not no waiter. Me calm and never humble. Some boy wish that me fumble. I'm the Tarzan of the jungle. Me Mustafa never stumble. Me hard, cold and dark, but that dance Simba uncle never stop when me stumble. I got more drip than a candle. Designer on my body from my chest down to my ankle. Every day me wake up, read a Psalm, some of the Bible.
Read it, man.
To some little boy. We are the baddest in Trinidad. in a Trinidad, in a Trinidad. Yeah, the baddest in a Trinidad, in a Trinidad, in a Trinidad.
Bad move. One chap, big up on yourself. Mouttxt. You don't know chap, lad. Trinidad goes big up yourself too. Done the lighter to blood clot on this day. If you go buy a lighter now. I'm out.